Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest tech products. Today, we're taking a detailed look at what many consider the best in its class, the Corsair 5000D Airflow PC case. Let's explore why this case is making waves in the PC building community. The Corsair 5000D Airflow is a standout among mid-tower ATX cases, designed not just for aesthetics but for performance and ease of use. It combines robust construction with advanced cooling features, making it an ideal choice for both gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike. Starting with its design, the 5000D boasts a sleek, minimalist aesthetic with a high airflow optimized steel front panel. This isn't just for looks, it's engineered to maximize airflow, ensuring your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Cooling is where the 5000D truly shines. It comes equipped with two Corsair 120mm air guide fans that feature anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow efficiently. Plus, it supports multiple cooling configurations, including up to three 120mm fans or a 360mm radiator, providing flexibility for various cooling setups. Building in the 5000D is a breeze, thanks to Corsair's Rapid Route cable management system. This innovative feature allows you to route major cables through a single hidden channel, neatly organizing your build. The easy-access hinged door and spacious 25mm cable management space behind the motherboard tray further simplify the building process. Crafted from alloy steel, the 5000D ensures durability, while offering thoughtful features like tool-free drive installation and removable dust filters for easy maintenance. These small details contribute to a hassle-free user experience, which is crucial for anyone looking to build or upgrade their PC. Now, before we wrap up, let's touch on what users are saying about the 5000D. It's received rave reviews across the board for its excellent build quality, superior airflow, and ease of installation. Many users particularly appreciate its spacious interior and the ability to customize cooling solutions to fit their specific needs. In conclusion, the Corsair 5000D Airflow Mid-Tower ATX PC case stands out as a top choice for anyone serious about building a high-performance PC. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional, its combination of design, cooling performance, and ease of use makes it a standout in the market. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques like this one. Leave your comments below on what you think of the Corsair 5000D or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.